Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add more buildings plots in Heartopia. Building plots are super useful because they let you expand your house area and build more freely. Okay, let's get started. First, just tap on the smartwatch icon on your screen like this, and then go to the developers guild, this one, and then next just tap on this icon, this plot icon, like this, and then just tap on the available plots that you can buy like this, and then next just tap on buy. This time we need 8,000 coins like this, just tap on it and then just tap on confirm. And okay, like this, that's it. Your building area is now bigger and ready to use. And if you want to add more plots, you can just tap on another plot that is available like this. Like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.